Oyo State Government, through the State Health Insurance Agency (OYSHIA), has refunded health deduction charges of 147,548,000 naira earlier deducted from each of the pensioners' accounts that enrolled for the health insurance scheme at the rate of 4,000 naira as premium between September to December 2022. The Executive Secretary of OYSHIA, Dr. Sola Akande, stated that the Oyo State Governor, Engr Seyi Makinde, ordered the agency to refund the deducted money from retirees and directed that the money be refunded to all involved pensioners.
And what we are experiencing today, the 147 million which has been espoused, is not going to be the end. It is the beginning of so many beautiful things that will come our way.
Dr. Akande, while making a symbolic presentation to the leadership of NUP, stressed that apart from the fact that Governor Makinde paid back the money deducted from the pensioners, he is equally paying the insurance premium for all pensioners since January 2023 because of his love and compassion for the senior citizens. Dr. Akande disclosed that countless number of retirees had benefited from free treatment on prostate, eye surgeries, and other forms of ailment from the scheme via Governor Makinde gestures of giving the pensioners opportunity to have access to the scheme.
So Oyo State Government gave us that sum under the SAFER program, and we are to now refund the money to pensioners. The money will go back to various legs as we receive it. First of all, we receive some amounts from local government pensions board that we've given them, about 51 million. And then we have some money that was given to us by state pensions board. So we've written to them for validation of the document that we have, and then like local government pensions board did, they will instruct us the account, to pay that money into, and then we'll pay. So they are the one now that we pay the pensioners under them, the 4,000. You recall that 4,000 was deducted over 4 months, from each pensioner in Oyo State. And then the third leg will be the pensioners from various local government, the 33 of them.
The chairman of Local Government Staff Pension Board, Honorable Hakeem Ademola Ike, and permanent secretary of the board, Alhaji Lukman Muraina Akinola, all attested to the fact that Governor Seyi Makinde-led administration accorded great priority to the welfare and issues that concern the state workforce and retirees more than any previous administration in the state, as they urge pensioners to keep supporting and be praying for the present administration.
So what happened today is just a symbolic presentation of about 147 million that was deducted from pensioners' arrears for the health insurance scheme. But the governor, His Excellency Governor Seyi Makinde, in his wisdom, decided to support all the pensioners in the state, especially those that fall within my office, that's the local government, that they should refund the money back to them. And what happened today, I said it in the hall that I can confirm to the citizenry of Oyo State that we never have it so good like this. I've worked with about 4 or 5 governors in this state as a council chairman, as senior special assistant, and as a state lawmaker, and as a special advisor to this present governor during this 1.0, and and this 2.0 being the chairman of local government staff pension board. It is unprecedented what we are experiencing today.
The State Secretary of Nigerian Union of Pensioners, Oyo State Chapter, Comrade Segun Abatan, noted that Governor Seyi Makinde's show of concern for pensioners who are hiato afflicted with plague has made them living beings again and no longer dying like a fowl.
In order to now tell them that, okay, your money that you said was missing, that we had shared, is not missing. No. Your money is now coming back to you. That was the reason we called them, so that they will look, they will see themselves that their money that they paid between September, October, November, December 2022 is now back to in their purse. So this is the amount that government deducted and government is paying back. This is in fact a novel thing, because hardly can you find a government deducting money and then paying back again. Hardly can you find that. So it also shows the integrity and the transparency of His Excellency Engineer Seyi Makinde as well.
This is part of the program we have for the pensioners, like this issue of free medical services. But the Social Grace of God, in the nearest future, we have the pensioners hospital, whereby the pensioners can just go there and take care of their health.
Segun Abatan reiterated that NUP in the state is a non-political, non-religious, and non-ethnic organization, pleaded with Governor Seyi Makinde to expeditiously address their demand already on his table on the 33% pension increase and the consequential adjustment as agreed upon by the Oyo State Government and Labour as they await the outcome of the circular on the new minimum wage.